Hey everybody, and welcome to my YouTube page. This is Lady T, Things That Bling, Crafting and Creating with Lupus. And today I am going to show you how I did my domino set. As you can see, it's gold and the circles are brown. This was requested by the customer. So if you are interested in seeing how I did it, stay tuned. So here I'm showing you that I am pouring my resin. And this was like 4 o'clock in the morning. 4 o'clock in the morning, and I'm using my resin. This particular resin is Dr. Crafty. Dr. Crafty resin, which has gone up dramatically in price. However, it's very good resin. I love it. It doesn't take that long. It doesn't take 24 hours for it to cure. Actually, in about 8 hours, it's pretty hard and ready to use. Here I'm just measuring my resin. It has to be ratio of 1 to 1. Whenever I measure it in the cup, I have to measure that's what the customer gets. So here you see me stirring and adding more glitter until I feel like it's sometimes the glitter you can use not enough. It won't come out as glittery as you want it to, but in this instance, it came out very beautiful. As you could see from the beginning of the video, it came out really beautiful. In my opinion, and in my customer's opinion, she enjoyed it as well. So now I'm just stirring it. And what I like about glitter is glitter is good. If you try to use alcohol ink in your resin, it makes it a little bit too thin, and you don't want that to happen. So here I'm just showing you me pouring in the mold. I'm not going to bore you by showing me pour all of the mold, but it's one mold and it has 28 slots to pour into. And now you see I'm going back to fill up the mold as much as I can. I have found out that when you fill the mold all the way up, you get a very actually is. But you can get the resin from off of Amazon. And again, the some resin that you pick up on Amazon, they come with measuring cups and sticks and spatulas. Some of them do. This one came with a spatula and 2 measuring cups, actually. 2 measuring cups. And each bottle is 32 ounces. I believe these are 32 ounces. Yes, 32 ounces each. I'm sorry to bore you with this topping off of the Dominoes, but that's what I was doing. Honey, as much as this epoxy resin costs, I've tried to use every drop that I can use because I do not like wasting my resin. It costs too much. Okay, Teresa, come on now. Enough. Let's go. I thought I had cut this part out, but obviously I did not. Oh, girl, come on. Okay, now it's full. It has secure. So it is the next day, and the Dominoes have successfully cured. They're very strong. And that domino mold that you see, I got from Amazon. I'm sorry. No, I did not. I got that from Etsy. And the brown paint I just showed you, I actually got from Family Dollar. Not the Dollar Tree, but Family Dollar. And now I'm just mixing up 2 paints. The other paint that I have there, which you'll see me pour into there as well, I got that one from Walmart, but I didn't have enough, so I had to pick up the other one from Family Dollar. And my customer, she wants brown in her Dominoes, and I think it was a good choice. Now you can see how vibrant that gold color is and how clear the holes on the Dominoes are. Very, very good mold from Etsy. Now this dropper thing right here that I was trying to use with the paint. Now I had used this before on another set of Dominoes that I made, and it worked fine. But not on this one. It didn't want to act right. So I had to improvise. So instead of trying to squeeze and fill it up, I just had to dip it in the paint and drop it in the hole. Dip it in the paint, drop it in the hole. Dip it in the paint, drop it in the hole. And it worked very well for me. Actually, it was probably better because it's less time consuming when you just dip it in the paint and put it in the hole. And dip it in the paint and put it in the hole. So, don't mind me, ladies and gentlemen. I am Lady T, and I'm goofy sometimes. Okay, so I'm showing you the paint that dried within the Dominoes, the brown paint. And it really looks very pretty to me. And I have them sitting on my silicone mat. And you can see that they are raised. So what I did was mix a little bit more of epoxy resin and stirred it up and putting a light coat over the top of the Dominoes, because if you don't seal it with something, the paint within the holes will eventually fall out. At least in my case, they did. So what I'm doing is sealing it with a very, very light coat of resin. You don't have to put that much on there, but make sure you have good coverage on each piece. And that's what I'm doing right here. I'm just spreading the epoxy and making sure that it's even. And this epoxy is self-leveling, but you just have to make sure sometimes, that everything that you want covered is covered. So that's what you see me doing here. And that spatula looking thing that I have, they were selling them at the Dollar Tree, but I'm not sure. I haven't seen them lately. But the ones I have, I got from Amazon. Mostly everything you see that I'm using is from Amazon, except for the paint. The paint was from Walmart and Dollar General. So I'm just scratching off some of the paint, the excess paint, because I want the dominoes to come out very nice. And after I showed my husband this set of dominoes, of course he requested a set of dominoes, and he wanted his in a bronze color, and they really look beautiful. Actually, they're sitting over there now in the mold, curing. And this is my customer Rhonda, who's also my friend, who's also our aide.
Thank you. I got my dominoes.
She is ecstatic about her dominoes. As you can tell by her smile, she is so happy. She did pick out the colors for her dominoes, and she's glad that I was able to do them for her. Nothing like a smile from a happy customer. And I'm so happy to have her. You may notice her from my mask videos. She was my model for my mask videos. So she's a good woman. She's a very good woman. And that's Rhonda. Thank you, Rhonda. All right, everybody. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube station. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. All right, if there's anything you'd like to see me do, just leave it in the description box below. And again, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you so much. All right. God bless.